About almost 2 o'clock and I've been procrastinating this for a while, but today I'm finally gonna make a vision board for this empty wall in front of my desk. This is where I usually, I don't know, record videos and like study and stuff like that, and as you can see it's pretty empty. Oh my god, the light. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off by finding some images and quotes and stuff that I like. And if you don't know what a vision board is, basically it's a collection of images and quotes and other stuff that inspires you and motivates you. So basically when you see it when you're working at your desk, then you get reminded of that and you work more towards that thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna find some nice things. Okay, so I just finished selecting all my pictures, so it's time to go to the library and print them because I don't have a colored printer at home. And also, isn't this thing just so cute? I just got it once from one of those school book fairs and I feel like it resonates with me most of the time so much. Grumpy with the chance of no. Also, can we just acknowledge how much this tree outside of my house has grown? Like, this was so small last summer and this is getting like so big. I have no idea. So it's actually the next day and I just got all of these printed and I love how they came out. I'm just gonna go ahead and like cut them out so I can attach them to my wall. So making this vision board is actually like a lot of fun. So I added both like text and images. So I really want to like try being more active. So I added this picture and then I also added like, you know, active, happy, calm. These are just things that I want to feel or do. And I also just kind of wanted to make it cohesive with my room scheme, I guess, as you can see. So yeah. I think it's just really good to have like a kind of motivation that's like right in front of your wall, because this will go in front of my desk when I study. So just by looking at it, you know, when you're doing like math or something and feel hopeless, you can just look up and you'll just feel a little bit more motivated to, you know, continue studying. Oh my god, also, isn't it like the most surprising thing when you like make friends and then you just see that person for the first time without their mask? I just feel like they look so different, and COVID, like every day, it's just like a face reveal. Like, you know, on YouTube, like people do face reveals, that is our reality every day. Hi, so yeah, I'm actually in a different outfit because I'm recording this on different days, like I said. So yeah, school just hit hard, I had to catch up with that. But today, finally, I'm going to be pasting my pictures and everything on this board. I actually cut it out just from like Dollarama. Also, I got some like Dollarama stickers. Aren't these just so cute? And you know, just random things to put on it. I made this a while ago. I made like a TikTok on it, so I'm gonna attach this too. And this like decorative paper. And honestly, I'm just gonna use anything else I find. All my pictures, cut out pictures, are in this file. So yeah, let's get started. Also, if you try this, definitely get like bigger pictures because these are way too small. Like this is how the size came out, and honestly I would really suggest you just make it like half a page or like quarter of a page, because these are probably not even gonna be seen. But yeah, it's okay, we'll just work with it today. So I read this tip that you should put like your favorite or most important image in the center of your board. So I'm trying to like choose which one is my favorite. I don't know, these all look so good. You know what? This is small again, but like I really like this. It says, I am capable of achieving anything I put my mind to, and I feel like that's true, and also it just looks aesthetic. So I'm gonna put it probably in the center. Oh, oops, I just discovered they look better on the other side. I'm just gonna attach them now. Wow, so I was just watching YouTube videos and time just flowed by. Like I am almost done. I only have like 2 or 3 more images left. So this is it so far. I'm really proud of it. I just love the way it looks. And I just found out like how these actually work. So I'm not spiritual, like I don't do crystals or anything, but I heard that when you just like see it on your wall, see all these images, then your subconscious mind, like it tries to imitate it, because your mind just likes to imitate things, and so you don't even know about it. But in a way, this does kind of help you like get what you want, but you have to remember that you can only get what you want by like working. So this is just gluing a bunch of pictures on a board. You can make as many lists and stuff as you want, but it's not gonna do anything if you don't like actually work hard. Because like Lily Singh said, the universe does respect the law of attraction, but it respects the law of hustle more. And I love how she put that. So yeah, I'm almost done. Let's just get this, let's just do this. So I think it's done. This is how it came out, and I can't wait to put it up on my wall. So as you can see, I'm finally done. I feel like this is just such a good thing to have in front of your desk when you're like, you know, doing math or something and you just get hopeless. When you look up, you just get a little bit more motivation. So that's it for this video. I really enjoyed this type of vlog style video. Please tell me if you enjoyed it. Like or dislike, doesn't matter. Just let me know. Also, please comment, tell me what you thought about this, and please subscribe because it helps me out a lot. And I will hopefully see you next week. I'm trying to get more regular with uploading, so I'm gonna try my absolute best. But even if I don't, bye.